Have you ever wondered what it would be like to travel through time in the eternal city of Rome? Picture a city that's a living testament to over 2 millennia of history, where ancient ruins rub shoulders with vibrant modern life. Rome, a city that has inspired poets, artists, and dreamers throughout the ages, beckons. This is a city that's as complex as it is captivating, a city where every cobblestone, every archway, every fountain tells a story. It's a city that has stood the test of time, its layers of history laid bare for all to see. From the grandeur of the Colosseum to the quiet charm of Trastevere, Rome is a symphony of the old and the new, the timeless and the transient. Our purpose is to take you on a journey through time, to uncover the layers of history, culture, and life that make Rome the eternal city. So buckle up for a fascinating journey through time in the heart of Rome. Imagine the grandeur of ancient Rome, a city that was the heartbeat of an empire. Rome's beginnings are steeped in myth and legend. Founded, as the story goes, by the twin brothers Romulus and Remus in 753 BC, it was a humble settlement that would grow into one of history's most powerful empires. From its legendary founding, Rome was destined for greatness. The city expanded, absorbing neighboring lands, growing not only in size, but in stature. By the time of the first Roman Emperor Augustus, around 27 BC, Rome was a sprawling metropolis, the epicenter of a vast empire stretching from Britain to Egypt, a beacon of civilization in a world still largely untamed. No visit to Rome is complete without exploring the ruins that once stood as the center of this grand empire. The Colosseum, a colossal amphitheater, stands as a testament to Roman engineering prowess. In its prime, it could hold an estimated 50 to 80,000 spectators who gathered to watch gladiatorial contests, public spectacles, and dramas based on classical mythology. Just a stone's throw away lay the Roman Forum, once a bustling marketplace and the hub of political, economic, and religious life. Here, the echoes of speeches delivered by the likes of Julius Caesar still seem to reverberate among the ruins. Finally, we have Palatine Hill, the most central of Rome's 7 hills, and considered the birthplace of the Roman Empire. It was here that Romulus, after killing his brother Remus in a fit of rage, founded the city that would become Rome. Today, you can wander among the ruins of opulent palaces where emperors once resided, and imagine what life might have been like during Rome's golden age. These ancient ruins, once the epicenter of the Roman Empire, silently narrate tales of Rome's grand past. They stand as a testament to the city's long and storied history, a history that is etched into every stone, every column, every pathway. Each ruin tells a story, a tale of a time when Rome was the center of the world. Welcome to the Vatican City, the world's smallest independent state. Nestled within the heart of Rome, this city within a city is a treasure trove of art, history, and spirituality. Despite its small size, spanning only about 110 acres, the Vatican City holds an outsized influence on the world stage as the spiritual home of the Roman Catholic Church.